Welcome to Nickology. I'm your host, Nikki. Happy holidays! It's that time of year when we're doing extra fun activities, getting ready for the holidays, doing things like making hot chocolate. There's a little nip in the air. It's just the perfect thing, isn't it? Hot chocolate. And I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect hot chocolate bar. But stick around, because when I'm done with that, I'm going to show you the adult-friendly version. Okay, let's get started. First, you need some really cute mugs, because this is for family, this is for friends, and this is also for the kids. There's no limits on how fun this can be, all right? So you need your cute mugs. You need some snacks. First of all, let's hit snacks. What goes good with hot chocolate? Powdered donuts. You dip it in there, you get the powder all in the hot chocolate. It's perfect. Maybe some powdered donuts, some Nutty Buddies, Rice Krispie treats, cookies, whatever you want. It all goes good with hot chocolate. Anything goes good with hot chocolate, quite frankly. But we like to have the sweet treats to go with it. Make it a little special. So you got your cute mugs. Now you need some peppermint, because you can plop those in the hot chocolate and it melts in there. The aroma's outstanding. You'll love it. And the extra little peppermint taste with it makes it perfect for the holiday season. How about some marshmallows, maybe some sprinkles, and don't forget, top it off with a big dollop of Cool Whip. Love it. And you know what's cute? Sticks for stirring. Don't forget about that. Yeah, I'd say this is the perfect hot chocolate bar. Remember when I said stick around? Because I was going to show you that adult-friendly version of the hot chocolate. This is it. So you have your hot chocolate. Now, if you want to give yourself a little extra kick, just add some instant coffee sprinkles. It could be decaf. In this case, it's caffeinated. You know, you got to stay up late to do some of those fun holiday activities, so I'm giving myself a little kick. And then maybe add a little coffee liqueur, maybe some creme de menthe, any kind of liqueur, whatever's your special flavor, just add a little. It makes it a little extra special for the holidays. So I'm just gonna add a little bit here. It's 2020, a little bit more. And then look, I've got my cute stirrers I was talking about. Just stir that up. I'm gonna add myself a couple little marshmallows. What's hot chocolate without some marshmallows? Not finished, that's what it is. Now I've got my perfect hot chocolate. I'm gonna enjoy. Cheers.